But this video will be different. For millions of years, prey animals have developed defense mechanisms against predators. They fight to the death against lions thanks to their horns, teeth, and powerful muscles. How strong is a lone lion actually against prey animals? You will not believe what you see in this video. Top 10 preys who can kill a lion easily. Number 1. Hippopotamus. Ungainly as it is, the hippopotamus is the world's deadliest large-land mammal, killing an estimated 500 people per year in Africa. Hippos are aggressive creatures and they have very sharp teeth. They can cut a lion in half with its sharp and long teeth, and you wouldn't want to get stuck under one. At up to 3,000 kilograms, they can crush a human to death. In the wild, hippos typically live up to 40 years. The animals, which can reach up to 4 tons in size, generally reach 50 years of age when in captivity. Number 2. Rhino. While these horned beasts are potentially very dangerous, they generally prefer to keep to themselves. Despite that attitude, rhinos are not pacifists, and when they feel threatened, they'll steer their large, dangerous bodies directly toward a fight. The black rhino has a reputation for being extremely aggressive and charges readily at perceived threats. Adult rhinos normally have no natural predators, thanks to their imposing size as well as their thick skin and deadly horns. Number 3. Buffalo. Also known as Black Death, the buffalo can be extremely dangerous and is said to have killed more big predators than any other animals in Africa. Buffalo is most aggressive when it has been wounded or if one of the calves from the herd is under attack. Can a buffalo kill a lion? African buffaloes have few predators and are capable of defending themselves against lions, and they can kill lions easily if they attack at the right moment. Number 4. Zebra. One of Africa's most dangerous prey animals is zebra. Zebras also have very different temperaments to horses. They are far more aggressive and a lot more dangerous. KO! Zebras have been known to kick each other to death. They will viciously bite any human that comes too close. And there are even many accounts of zebras killing lions. There have been numerous recorded cases of zebras killing lions, generally by a swift kick to the head that at the very least breaks the jaw, resulting in the cat's eventual starvation. Number 5. Porcupine. Porcupine is not an aggressive animal. It will only attack if it is threatened. Some animals are experts at attacking porcupines. Porcupines have soft hair, but on their back, sides and tail, it is usually mixed with sharp quills. Porcupines cannot shoot them at predators, but the quills do detach easily when touched. Porcupines can easily kill many lions with their sharp quills. These quills sink into the lion's heart and throat. Number 6. Giraffe. Although they are more likely to run from an attack than fight back, giraffes are not completely defenseless. A swift kick from one of their long legs can do serious damage to an unlucky lion. Giraffes defend themselves against predator by kicking with either the fore or hind feet. Their large and heavy hooves can break the back of lions. Lions, hyenas, and other many predators cannot reach their throats because they are very tall. By the way, fully grown giraffes can reach up to 20 feet tall. Number 7. Elephant. Elephants are usually peaceful animals. All elephants may become aggressive when sick, injured, or harassed. Lions don't attack the elephant herd. Lions will usually avoid adult elephants and attack youngsters only if they have become separated from the herd. Elephants are exceptionally smart creatures. They have the largest brain of any land animal and 3 times as many neurons as humans. Thanks to their intelligence and big teeth, they are protected from lions' attacks. Number 8. Warthog. Smart, stout, and sturdy, warthogs proved to be one of Africa's most durable and enduring prey species. Warthogs have longer legs than other pigs. Besides being good at dodging and running, warthogs are not afraid to fight. They use their sharp canine teeth as weapons. While they are not normally an aggressive animal, warthogs are known to injure predators with their sharp tusks when cornered. Warthogs are very dangerous for lions' hunt, can even kill them. Lions have to be very careful. Number 9. Wildebeest. Wildebeests have a maximum running speed of around 50 miles per hour. The primary defensive tactic is herding, where the young animals are protected by the older, larger ones, while the herd runs as a group. They are dark black with stripes. They have horns that are curved to help them have protection from enemies.